Yeah, see you Hawaii next time, baby.
I don't need to see the road to believe, yeah. 'Cause this is where I'm meant to be, I believe.
Welcome to part 2 of our couples travel to the beautiful island of Dominican Republic. In this part 2 series, I will show you around Hyatt Zilara and also our excursion to Saona Island on a catamaran boat tour. Hyatt Zilara is an all-inclusive adults-only hotel in the gated community of Punta Cana. It is located on the popular Juanillo Beach and is only 15 minutes away from Punta Cana International Airport. As you can see, there is just luxury everywhere around this property as you enter through the front door. Look at the attention to detail in this property that just shows you that there is excitement waiting to happen upon entering. Going to sit here for a moment to soak up some of this sun in this swinging hammock. So you have access to both Ziva Zilara and Ziva Punta Cana as they are right beside each other. Therefore, there is access to 25 unique restaurants and bars across both properties. You also have a world-class fitness center, access to a spa, and so much more on this property. Let me take you to breakfast at the Paar, which is located on this property. The Paar offers a gourmet buffet which includes a variety of fresh foods and cuisines that is sure to please every palate. You can stop by for breakfast, lunch, or dinner at this spot. We decided to do breakfast here, and I must say I really enjoyed it. I got carried away with the fruit selection, especially the passion fruit and guava. Now that was a tasty treat. After I take a little break on this lawn chair, I am going to show you the rest of the property with the pool and the beach area. Hyatt Zilara is of course a tropical paradise with amenities that include infinity pools with swim-up bars, floating swim-up suites, and so much more. There is also access to the beach, which I must say is one of the top beaches I've ever seen. With that aqua color, it's the color that gets to you. We had a private cabana reserved for us, and so we decided to spend the rest of the day at the pool. For dinner, we decided to eat at Wave Steakhouse, which is also another restaurant located at Zilara. The food, I must say, was delicious for all the steak lovers out there. Dinner first started with appetizers. Then they had a selection of every type of steak you can think of, from ribeye to Angus to filet mignon. It was also served with a selection of sides. Then it was paired with an apple crumble pie or cheesecake to call it a night. As we headed back, we stopped at an adult entertainment on the lawn called Silent Disco. Now, I have never heard of this, but I wanted in on the fun and excitement happening in that spot. We also decided to stop at this martini bar to join in on the nighttime fun. There was also live entertainment with our pianist playing some of our favorite songs while we danced the night away. After such a fun night, don't forget to request your free complimentary champagne to finish off your couple's vacation. The next day, we had an excursion planned for Saona Island, a catamaran boat tour. We decided to have breakfast in our suite because we had to get up pretty early to get to our excursion. The spread looked amazing and we enjoyed the omelets with bacon, pancakes, hash browns, and delicious tropical fruits. As we were heading out to our excursion, we decided to stop at a local supermarket to get some snacks and drinks that we needed for our trip. I liked this stop because I was able to get some local snacks that were quite tasty. I even brought some back for the kids and they loved it. While we were enjoying the drive through Dominican Republic, our driver was playing music that we requested, which added some fun to the 40-minute drive to our excursion. We arrived at the port where we would be catching the boat to start this excursion. There was a lot going on in this one spot. You could take pictures with exotic parrots and iguanas for the more daring ones, or even get some affordable souvenirs. So we got on our boat and we were off to our first stop on this excursion before we get to the island. The first stop was actually fun. You had a photographer on site to take beautiful photos of this gorgeous aqua blue ocean. In addition, we were able to see an actual starfish. Look at how beautiful that is.
Off the boat. We are off the boat. See, we walk through the water.
So we got to Saona Island, and can I tell you, this island is unreal. Look at the coconut trees in its natural habitat. And the water, oh my goodness, gorgeous. The trip also included a meal that was freshly prepared and served for us to enjoy local cuisine. You can also order fish and lobster to be freshly prepared while there. Let me just sit and enjoy this local cuisine for a moment. Now, wow, that was some delicious food for sure. For the rest of the time here on the island, we just walked around, explored it, and enjoyed every bit of paradise. We really had a good time on the island, and now it's time to head back to Punta Cana. On our way back, we were transferred to another boat where we were able to see even more of Saona Island in all its beauty. Then to end this excursion, we were greeted with music and dancing. Definitely a must-do excursion on your travel to DR. We got back to Punta Cana and headed back to our hotel. That was definitely a great day and a fun way to end this couple's vacation.
Bye-bye, DR. See you next time.
So here ends part 2 of our couple's vacation to DR. If you liked our channel and want to be a part of our adventures, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on family and couples travel worldwide. I hope that this channel will inspire and encourage you to take more family adventures and enjoy all that life has to offer. Until next time, one love.